Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on X application. So let's get started. Begin by launching your X application. Now tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on Profile option. Click on Edit Profile button. Now tap on Date of Birth. To change your age, just tap on your date of birth once again. And tap on the Edit button. Now select your actual date of birth. Once you are done, tap on the Continue button, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on the Save button. And if you are sure, tap on the Confirm button. And this is how you can change your age on X application. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.